Hi everyone, it's Bonnie. Let's begin by going over something that I was working on a year ago when I found my love for paper crafting. I watched a lot of videos on how to make junk journals and I came across one that showed how to do an altered book. So here is the flip through of the somewhat finished project. I may add to this in future videos. So I had this brown book and I thought the pages that I found for it would work perfect for it. I left the title pages intact. This is the technique where you tear out some existing book pages so you can make room for pockets. And so that's a pocket there. This is just the digital printouts, and one side is a pocket and the other is just the plain page. I did glue the digitals on after I printed them out, glued them directly to the book page. This is a double pocket I made, and I put journaling cards in those, also made by digitals. This is a little flip up that I will eventually glue to a book page, and I found the instructions online to how to make this, and I added a little notepad in there, and that's coffee dyed notebook paper. I also stenciled that rose on there using a stencil. The next page we have two book pages that are torn in half, and I backed the one page with digital and left the front part of the pocket as the book page. This is again the digitals glued to the book page, and I made one a top loading pocket. This is paper I dyed blue, and then I added the rose stenciling. These are angled pockets that I made by folding down the book page. I covered up the writing with some coffee dyed papers. I made another flip up, I don't know what you call these little folio things. Anyway, I made a little pocket for a couple of little cards to go in there, and then I collaged the one side with book pages, and this is another digital kit I used, and this will also be glued to the page eventually. Here's another coffee dyed pocket that is side loading pocket, and then it flips out and you can see the doily design that's on there. I really like that. This is where I kind of did a little mystery pocket where I lined up the digital to be on the back and the front, and it's sort of a hidden seam, so to speak. And then this is a side loading pocket. I painted that page with acrylic paints. Another angled pocket with a digital behind it. This is the digital printouts that are just glued to the book pages to decorate them. Another angled pocket that you just fold down the corner, and then there's an angled pocket. I'm just using my little cardboard piece here to show you there's a pocket because I haven't made that much ephemera to put in them yet. This is also a little tuck spot, but it flips up so you can have like a little secret place to write something. So on the last page, I used a digital to cover up all the book type except for that one sentence. So I appreciate you coming by, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.